Hey, am I live? Hey, let's go. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Good morning, everybody. Let's do this. We are live. What a crazy. Oh, man, this should be a crazy day. We should be looking at a pretty crazy day. I guess, our good friend Trump said taxes or tariffs on iPhones and the market just absolutely lost its marbles. Jagraj, good morning. Chess World, good morning. Timbo, Nathan M, Trader Pip, good morning. John Coogie, Scottish Futures Trader, good morning. Best Guest Trading, Jack Wiley, Sam Owen, good morning. RH, Stoic Creator, good morning. APS, Rippin' and dipping, good morning. John, good morning, John. uh, John, you're starting off on fire. Oh, I love it. I love it, John. Don't ever change. Good morning, Niles. Timbo, good morning. Charles Ward, Micro Player. Black Coffee in the house. Good morning. Jay Wilson. Bruce Lee, Felix, Ace Undercover, good morning. Yep, it was one day too soon, but hey, it was still good. I mean, this is... Good morning, Mr. Wall Street. Knife Art, good morning, Knife Art. How we doing? Cly, good morning. Peter Shap, good to see you. Good morning. Matty Matt, good morning. Vector. Tanush, good morning. Trip Moses, good morning. Artie Trades, good morning. Max 90, let's go. Tech. Oh dear, this is a tough one, folks. Tough name in the chat. Takeko Kawashima. I don't know if I got that right, but good morning. I'm just gonna call you TK. Darren Koss, good morning. Sarah, good morning. MB, good morning. Let's go, boys. I don't know what to expect this morning. I mean, we had such a big move lower at, what time was this? 7:20. 7:20 this morning. We had such a big move that, I mean, I don't know. You would expect that we go higher a little bit at the open here. All right, we are open. There she ripping. Let's see what we do. I mean, the VWAP is all the way back up there at the 20,990s. I don't know what to expect today, man. It is, right? Let's go. Takako Kawashima. I that feels right, but I have no idea. Amelia, good morning, Amelia. Good morning. I was trading my take profit test account at 7:20 and instantly got rocked. Oh no. Yeah, I can imagine that was dirty. If you were trading at 7:20 and going long, I feel bad for you because that's dirty. Orange Man Orange Man shafted you on that one. All right, a little bit choppy right here. A little bit of a chop fest at the open here. I almost forgot. Monday is Memorial Day, so we gotta I will, don't be surprised if we see a chop fest today. I don't know. Might see Gap fill is the 20,292 to the downside. I mean, I would, okay, so the daily chart, I mean, this is happening on the daily chart exactly what I was looking for. When we were here, we were kind of consolidating and we failed to get over the 500s. There's, unfortunately, I mean, I made some money, but I didn't. Sometimes that's when I want to be a swing trader and just accumulate a short position up here and then hold it for, you know, a week or so. Be tempting sometimes to do a little bit more of a swing trade, but I don't really have, I don't know, maybe I need to do, I actually thought about doing an options account. Thought about doing that, but I don't know, maybe. Hey, good morning, M. Susan. Good to see you. Ralph Gruens, good morning. Do you think Apex will have some crazy special for Memorial Day? I don't know. I know they have in the past, so I mean, I'm hoping, but I don't know. I don't know anything for sure, but usually they do. All right, here we go. Continue to make new highs, testing the 900s here. I'm kind of, I mean, I'm going to look for shorts, but I want to see us, I don't know, maybe we retest like the 930s and the VWAP here. I don't know. Gotta be patient. We might just rip straight up here. I mean, we are so far from the open at the 850s. Just looks like it just looks like it wants to pop. Maybe retest that EMA. I don't know, or the VWAP here. Got a feeling we want to retest that, but you can open a futures account and do micro swings. Isn't it crazy the margin required to hold overnight? I mean, I feel like it's pretty wild, isn't it? Isn't it like a crazy, like what is the margin requirement? Let me look. Maybe it's not as much as I think. Oh, let me look. All right, market continuing to grind it higher up through the 920s. I do think this is, we're definitely bullish here right off the rip. Got some resistance here at the 940s, but it really looks like it wants to test the VWAP. No way, Design Nod. Design Nod. Oh man, I'm so sorry, Design Knob. That sucks. So for Tradeovate, it's 4K per MNQ. Okay, so you would require one MNQ would require 4K of margin if you want to hold. See, I don't think that's worth it. I don't know. That's insane. I would almost rather do options at that point. But look at this thing go. He just wants to rip. Look at her go, man. Let's see. Gotta see. If I bought at 10K, you wouldn't be saying it's not worth it. You are correct. I wouldn't, but yeah, it's true. It's true. DCA all day, sitting on hands. Hey, Stephen Arthur, good morning. Jim O, good morning. Trying to see on my Ninja Trader account, what is my margin requirement for intraday on that? Oh, where do I get that information? Margins. All right, here we go. So NQ, yeah, so okay, for NQ, 35,000 is the margin requirement to hold overnight for one mini, and for one micro, it's 3,500. That's crazy. $3,500 to hold overnight for one micro. That's how much would the market have to move? That would be like 200-point move. I guess, yeah, 200-point moves happen. Jeez, that is wild though. That is crazy. Okay, we're getting a pullback here a little bit. I do expect this to go. And I'm almost tempted to jump in here. I want to get out here very quickly. Doesn't. You know the market's moving like crazy when it looks so small. Come on, really? having regrets. Got to get a push here. Come on. Got to get a push here. Let's go. Not happening. Come on. Should have waited. Rip it. Come on, man. Gotta go right here. If we don't do it here, then we're in trouble. Gotta rip it. Give me new highs. Gotta go here. Yeah, that's not it. We lose the 900s, then we're definitely out. Can't seem to get going. Okay, now go, market, go. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped. I got way too infatuated with the VWAP here. Thought we go test the VWAP. Push it, rip it, come on. Keeps trying and failing. Yeah, we're getting stopped. Rip. Well, I guess I don't know. Now it's tempting to actually go short here, but that was a little bit of a dumb trade. Still think this is gonna go test the VWAP, but we might have been a little too early. Yeah, Sabak. That's true. Now we're probably gonna rip. We're probably gonna go test the VWAP here, just like I wanted, but hard to stay in a trade like this when we have such volatility. This thing can rip another 100 points lower in literally a minute. This might be all the Bulls have. They might not have any more ammo here. It looks like they are definitely tiring out. And I'm a little too gun shy to try to short here, but a short here might be the play. See how we react to the 21 EMA here. Yeah, this is looking pretty good short. I don't know what this thing wants to do. Right now, it definitely feels heavy. Ralph Gruns, I'm taking the battery out of your mouse. I've never heard that before. I've never heard that before. A good way to stop trading is to take the battery out of your mouse. That's not a terrible idea. I mean, you can't click a button, right? You can't click with a battery out. Not a terrible idea, Ralph. I kind of like it. You know, one of my fears has always been like with a battery mouse. Imagine you were in a very, very important trade and you had like a big position open or something, and you want to close the position and your mouse dies. Your mouse dies and you can't close the position, and you have to run, get a battery or charge it or plug it in. And by the time you do that, the market is, you know, whatever. That would be a problem. That would actually put me on tilt for real. See, I almost want to give this one more shot on a long. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be upset if I'm wrong. I'm not gonna lie. This is not gonna be cool if I'm wrong. I might be. I don't know where I want my stop here. If I'm wrong here, this might be a very short session today. And I might be. I got wicked in again. Oh, gosh. I like the move off the EMA here. Look at where my fill was again. Why? How does this keep happening? Rip it! Come on, market. Come on. Don't be like this. It's gonna, I don't like it. I don't like it. Feels like the Bulls are just done. Feels like the Bulls just don't have any more ammo here. I wanted, and I was hoping to see another push at least to attempt the highs, but right now there's still hope here. There's still hope, but I really wanted to see that thing just rip right here, rip above the 80s, and rip right through the 900s, and it's just struggling to get above the 875s here. Come on, market. We got to go right here. Got to get above the 800s or 900s right here. Do it. Do it. Come on. Got to see it. Got to see this go through the 900s on this candle. Go. 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 Got to get above the 900s, though. Got to push. Got to push. Got to go. Got to go. Go, 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 go. Go, baby, go. Rip it. Hold, hold. Everybody hold. Everybody hold. Don't, no. Bad boy. Bad, bad, bad. Oh, dear. Gosh, I hate when it does this. Oh, my word. Gotta be kidding me. Come on, market, really? Why you be like this? I can't take you anywhere. You embarrass me every day. Rip it! Come on! Don't make me... Let's not do this today. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. Let's not do this today, of all days. Rip it! Come on! Come on, market. Don't let me down. Do not do it again. Please. Begging you. I'm actually begging you not to do it again. I'm begging you. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. No! What the... What was that? Did orange... Oh my... Oh, I'm gonna get triggered. I'm going to get triggered. You piece of... That was so dirty. That was so dirty. Oh my... Ooh, so... That was uncalled for. That was absolutely uncalled for. Right there is more evidence for emotional damage. Once we file lawsuits, that's just more evidence of emotional damage. What a dirty move. Now I'm stubborn. I am not taking my... I'm this market, you're going to go higher. I will call the SEC on you. Don't make me do it. How does it do that? How did we go from the 906s to the 860s in one blink of an eye? Someone needs to explain that. Like, seriously. Someone actually needs to... Someone needs questioned for that. That's unacceptable. Stupid market. Some days I question why I do this. Why? Why do we do this? Absolute insanity. Come on. Yeah, Matty Matt. I am not a big fan of those wicks either. I do not like them one bit. Let's see if we get another hope and nope situation here. Hope and nope number 3. Yeah, Design Knob said the market sucks and he's finished trading forever. We will see Design Knob tomorrow or on Monday, maybe Tuesday. We'll see you Tuesday, Design Knob. It's fine. Everything is fine. I'm getting I feel like I have to get out if this close. I mean, these wicks are just so bad. These wicks are just so bad. They're actually news in 2 minutes. New home sales. Oh dear. It's not a red folder news event. I give up. I surrender. I surrender. I'm going to be so upset if this thing rips now. I will actually be mad. So I'm not even going to look at the chart. Maybe it won't happen. I'm not kidding, guys. I'm not kidding. If this day has any hope, this market better tank right now. It's going to trigger me more than getting stopped out. Don't do it, market. Don't. No, don't. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades. Take care, man. Take care. We'll be here. Please go lower, market. Please. I'm begging you. You were up 800 and you wanted to have 1,000, then you went negative 1,000, then climbed to 600, then down back to 600. Oh, I'm so sorry, Jordan, and I don't mean to laugh because I've been there. That is so frustrating. So yesterday I ended up which one was it? So this account, this my funded future account, what was I, $800 in the red. I ended up battling it back to like $150 red. And now we got them back. We got them back to similar balances, which is okay, but now I'm also a little bit gonna mess things up a little bit because now my trade days for this is gonna be like, now I have a red day on this account, so I need 4 more days now instead of 3. Should be fine. We'll just trade an extra day. Nutty, really trading in 9:30 to 10 a.m. area that I know better, David Huber. Yes, sir, Dad. Yes, Dad, I do know better, but I did it anyway. No, I know what you mean. I do try not to, but I mean, I definitely this was a bad trade right here. I should have waited. This was a good entry. There was nothing wrong with this entry, but I deserved that one. I deserved this one. I thought we were gonna dip a little bit, and I was just a little bit too. I was a little bit too infatuated with the VWAP here. Thought we'd go test the VWAP. We didn't. I would not be surprised if we see this go sideways now. The rest of for the next 2 hours. Stupid market. Now it's gonna. There it goes. Urgh! I just knew it. I knew it. Now I don't know what to do here. This thing. This is just gonna rip right through the VWAP here above the 960s. Man. Dantaloid Dan, trade the range. Too easy. We learned our lesson yesterday. We can't taunt the markets. We just can't do it. As fun as it is, we can't taunt the markets. We got to make sure we stay very, very humble. Humility is a very underrated trading strategy. Humility is a very underrated trading strategy. That's for sure. All right, here we go. Let's see if we make new highs. We would have hit my target. My target would have been hit now. Here we go. Gonna rip. I can feel it without me. Sad face. All right, here we go. Trying to get above the 40s here. Trying to get above the 40s. I'm trying to debate if I want to take a short setup if we do test this VWAP. I mean, that was kind of my original plan. It was my original plan, but you know, I don't know. I kind of feel like I should. I cashed in my ticket for Scheffler winning last week, took home $3,500. Let's go, Lynn Davenport. That's awesome. Congratulations. Where's Trading Ever After? Anyone seen him? You know what? I have wait, did Trading Ever After, did he not change his name maybe? For some reason, I think maybe he did. But I'm not 100% sure. And do I take this? I'm gonna do it. How do I keep getting these terrible fills? How? How does this continue to happen? Oh my. I'm just getting fleeced. Absolutely wrecked. At my fill again. That is the fourth time. I gotta rethink my entry strategies here. Not acceptable. Feel now my stop is terrible. Where is my opening? Okay, got a dump here. Come on. Just for boys. Just for boys. I believe you were talking smack yesterday and didn't go so well, so maybe you should think twice before you type in the chat. I don't know. Try that. Come on, market. Really need this to lose. We need this to get down. It's not we're not out of the woods yet by far. Might be a bad trade. I'm not saying it's a great trade, but I'm not that upset about my entry. I mean, we're at a double top and if we rip here, might take the L, but I'm okay with this trade. Hey, TBG, good morning. Last night after the close, I remember an old saying I heard years ago about key numbers, and it simply says, we need 2 consecutive days under or over it. Under 253. Uh-oh. Oh, we're getting wrecked. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, man. You hate to see it. Looks like the Bulls are going to rule the show today. Oof. And right through the VWAP, like it wasn't even there. No way that Trump keeps the tariff on them. I mean, we'll see, but I don't think. I mean, he might not, but I don't think that's the reason. I have 21,000 here. I guess maybe we go to the 21,000. I mean, we still haven't closed officially above VWAP. Let's see what happens here. Ugh. Hey, Lynn Davenport, thanks. It's kind of a it's not, I mean, I'll take it, but it's not that I still would be way better if I was actually in the net green on those accounts. All right, let's see if we can do. I mean, if this looks like it's just going to keep going higher. Peter, don't be a nut. Too late for that. Too late. Yeah, we could just go higher, but I mean, I'm basically done trading on these accounts because I have a $400 loss limit on those accounts for the day. So, really not a point in entering a trade. I'm literally going to have if I enter a trade, it's going to have to immediately go in my favor. So, I think it's actually like $450 loss limit, so we'd have like maybe $40 wiggle room. But right now, this is how do you see the Tradeify leaderboard? I looked in the Discord, but it hasn't updated since March. Oh, I didn't even realize. Do they not post it in the Discord? Where I see it is on Twitter. It's on Twitter usually. Or that's where they post it every day. Oh man. Oh, I find it. I was pretty funny last night. Uh so Trader Kane made a post about basically people selling mentorships and discords, but not actually providing any um proof of profitability. It was so funny. Rips um Rips and Dodgy. Rips and Dodgy got into it. They got into it. Oh, I found it very amusing. It was pretty awesome. Rips called out Dodgy, just flat out. He just called him out. Very valid too. If you're selling a Discord service, I'm sorry, or if you're selling a course of any kind, like if you're doing anything like that, and then if people ask for proof of profitability, and then you try to gaslight them, I'm sorry. That's just terrible. The guy, he Dodgy. Yes, John. Rips went into him big time. Hey, let's go, Amelia. Kane sells a VIP group. I think he does, yes. But see, again, I mean, I've said this before. Like, I don't have an issue with people selling a. I don't have an issue with people selling their services if they provide the proof that is asked of them. But when someone wants to pay $1,500 for a Discord where they're promoting that you're going to be taught how to trade, like, and then you ask, hey, can I see some evidence that you know what you're talking about? And then, like, hey, show me P&L statement, show me a track record. And then when you do that, you get gaslit into, oh, yeah, you're focusing on the wrong thing. You blah, blah, blah. That's such a cop out, and it's pathetic. It's Crane. Yeah, Kane has verified profits. Exactly. I mean, if you have verified profits, you obviously know what you're doing and you want to sell your services. I mean, I'm not a I wouldn't personally pay for it because in my opinion, it is difficult, very difficult to just a lot of it isn't just the strategy. There's a lot more to it that is difficult to teach. But is it possible to learn something? Yes, 100%. Moses DM. I mean, yeah, but that's the troll. But Rips also has a actual live account where he has made a pretty insane amount of money. And he shares his broker statement. He's very transparent about it. So if he wants to call out other people, then I think he has the right to do it. I mean, it is what it is. If you don't like it. Yeah, exactly, Lynn Davenport. People who claim profitability without being profitable need to rebrand themselves as coaches. I mean, I'm okay. So if someone just comes out and tells you, like, hey, I'm not a profitable trader, but I'm just a good coach. Okay, maybe I'm like, okay, at least they're being honest, but they never do that. They never do that. They always present it like they're profitable. Yet when you ask them for proof, you get gaslit. That's the issue I have. But if they're just being honest and they're like, yeah, okay. I mean, do we want to talk about what this market is now doing after stopping me out? Do we want to talk about this or no? I say we just ignore it, pretend like it doesn't happen. Only one I've seen with a certified accounting of profit. Yeah, I know, John. I mean, I still don't like that. I'm not a fan of it. And Again, I mean, it is what it is. Some people get all bent out of shape about it, but the truth hurts. How much do I have in payouts year to date, TPG? I think it's, I mean, wait for the screen to show you, I guess. I show it on my screen right here. Just wait a minute. I think it's 112,000. Truth never hurts if you're truthful. Yep, exactly. My expenses are a little bit over 18,000. Well, you know what? I've been actually pretty proud of myself for, I have not had any prop firm expenses in over a week, almost a week and a half. Last time I had expenses was my Fund of Future account. So I'm pretty happy about, and I know I'm going to incur some if I am going to go back in to take Profit Trader. I know I will. Just a matter of time. I'm still a little salty. I'm not quite ready yet. I'm still a little bit salty about Take Profit Trader and losing those accounts. I still have not quite gotten over that. I'm still not happy about it. Oh, I was over a month with no expenses. Let's go, Matty Matt. That's awesome. I used to follow many trader like that. Never again. Yeah. Bank was probably wondering, did he die? Oh, man. How about 22,000 to learn trading in-house for 2 months, just selling options and adjusting positions? What? 22,000 to learn trading? That's crazy. Oh, I have to take this phone call. It might take a minute, but I need to take this call. Okay, we're back. Oh, man. And such a I don't know, man. I definitely did not. I don't know. I probably should have had this stop right here. It was a little too aggressive. Well, we gonna have them days. Just get wrecked. Get wrecked and like it. Ugh. Captain Crunch. Also, okay. I've never had a payout and the worst coach here. You're not selling anything either. Also, my wife makes me sleep on the couch. I hate to see it. Hang on. And we're back. All right, pulling back once more. I want to check something. Did I think I locked myself out of trading my other accounts. So the only account we can technically trade is this one Tradeify Live account. I think I locked myself out. I did. Actually, another reason I need to be a little more picky about my trading because it actually makes a difference. You have a $450 stop loss, start taking some willy-nilly trades, can add up quickly, very quickly. I just got a US fan credit card offer to interest payment. No interest for 2 years. John. Yeah, I got one like, you know which card I use, guys? The card that I use for all of my prop firm expenses, every single one of them. Like, it's actually really nice to do because for me to track my expenses is so much easier because I just need to download my credit card report, and I can easily find all my expenses for my prop firms in one place. And the card that I use is the Robinhood. It's the Robinhood Gold card. Robinhood Gold card, and I get 3% cash back on all purchases. 3% cash back on all purchases. So with the 18,000 that I have spent so far this year, I think it's close to like 500, over $500. Not bad. I mean, it's better than nothing. But yeah, 3% is the best that I think you can find for any, like, for that. I mean, you can find some that are better, but they're going to be limited to like dining or shopping or whatever. But 3% is actually really good. Yeah, see? Exactly, Matt and Matt. I can buy a new driver with that $500. The Chase Sapphire has the best promo. Oh, really? Hmm. DC Trader, how long on average for you to approve the request? I would say anywhere from a day to 3 days on average. Dad Nader, give us that credit card number so you can get 3% from us too. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I thought about it. I declined the offer. The more you fail, the more you earn. It is actually kind of definitely not a good mindset. Yes, let's spend more money for a 3% increase or a 3% cashback. I mean, we are just grinding higher now. I have one more entry. We could go down to 1 micro. I'm still want to go short, guys. I mean, maybe I'm just being an idiot, but I still think we roll over here. On day 5 under review, second payout to take a week to approve. Yeah, that's a little bit longer than normal DC Trader. John, the true meaning of circle jerky. Man. And this is a setup for long, though. This is actually a setup long. I mean, I guess we'd have to take it. All right, this is the moment of truth. If we get any kind of drawdown here, we're going to be cooked. We really, really need to get a win here. Don't have much wiggle room. All right. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Giving me the T. I do need to lock in profit here. Gotta lock in at least something. Okay, we'll take that. Hey, we have a little more wiggle room. You never know. We got a little more wiggle room. We can dig out. We can dig out of this hole today. It would be a one of the major performed miracles of the world. We have a $400 daily stop loss. We had around $10, $12 of drawdown that we had available there, and we got it. We got through it. Now we just need to stack a couple good trades on a row with 1 micro, and then, I don't know, maybe? Now, if we don't make a new high here, I almost feel justified to take a short, because we would be failing. We'd have a failure of new highs for the second time. Peter Patro, is there a sale? No. Trade away, giving away cash and 150K accounts. Yeah. All these new, I tell you what, they're just nothing but giveaways. They crazy. And here I'm begging for some accounts to give away to my audience, and I can't get any. Go figure. Yet I see other people get them all the time. Like, what am I doing wrong? What what am I doing wrong? Anyway, whatever. Yeah, Matt, exactly. Just, I mean, to me, it's not worth anyway, whatever. They did ask me to go on Tradeify TV. They want me on there, I think next week. I'm not even sure. Part of me, I'm like, I don't know. But might as well. Kind of dumb not to. Hey, are we going to get a bigger pullback here? This is now the second failed attempt at new highs. Still feels and seems pretty bullish, though. John, almost. Wow. Okay, this might break through right here. You might see new highs right here. Or not. Man, I don't know. John, very funny. They see me running a rigged duck race. We get on Tradeify TV. You know what we should do, guys? If I get on Tradeify TV, I should get them to do a duck race. We'll do a duck race for the giveaway. Should do that. Teach him some lessons in how to do giveaways. And I was thinking like $200 an hour is my going rate. Something like that. 250, maybe 300. Dan Rick. Sports Don will be my agent. Have you ever been in a duck race, John? I don't think you have, right? I know Design Knob's been in a duck race. I don't think he's ever won, but it's unfortunate. Unfortunate. Okay, market, could you make up your mind? What do you want to do here? Just got to bet on the pink duck. Yeah, SRQ Trader. There's a reason they're doing it. Trust me. The plan. I mean, look at Top Step. I think that's, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think people see what Top Step did with Top Step TV, and they think, oh, let's do our own YouTube channel, grow it to a bunch of subscribers, give away a bunch of accounts to accumulate, accumulate a lot of subscribers and viewers, to keep doing giveaways, and then once we have enough, stop doing giveaways, and then they'll slowly weed out affiliates, and they'll have one source of promotion, and it'll be their own channel. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that works out. Pretty sure Matt wrote that on one of these. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to see the writing on the wall. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Good to see you. Any place I can see a rundown of why some people don't like Top Step? It seems that they were pretty popular and then the tide shifted against them a bit. The Candle Whisperer. I mean, I think it's more honestly, if I the reason I'll share maybe the reason why I it's not that I don't think they're I mean, Top Step is reputable. They have made some rule changes. So they've made some rule changes with how much money you can only take out 5,000 per account. They've made some rule. I can't think of all of them, but I mean, honestly, the reason that I'm not a huge fan of them is the fact that I mean, they keep talking the way that they talk about their live trading. They keep talking down to all other prop firms as if they're the holier than thou kind of mentality regarding live trading, and they pretend like they make all their money off of live traders. And they pretend like they talk down to other prop firms that have sim payouts like there's some kind of better than everyone else. And in the reality and the truth of it is they make 98% of their income comes from failed evals and test accounts and failed XFA accounts and activation fees, exactly like every other prop firm out there. But they pretend like there's some holier than thou, and that's not the case for them when it is. And it just takes some very simple math to prove it. And that to me is why I'm that whole rhetoric is what has me just I don't know. I just get very it just grinds me the wrong way. And then the whole thing with Dakotas, it has literally made all his profits in the sim funded environment and then transferred those sim funded profits into his live account. And in his actual live account, he's actually not profit like overall, almost all of his profits come from the sim funded environment. Yet he talks down to the sim funded people. Like, I don't know. It's just cringy to me. But whatever. I mean, I still think they're fine. I mean, I think they're a reputable prop firm and I think they're valid. The other reason I don't really use them is the fact that they don't allow a Trade-of-8 Ninja Trader connection. They're the only prop firm that does it. There's a reason they do it. And the other reason is that they don't allow the 10-to-1 micro conversion on platforms outside of Top Step X. Now, whatever. It's just some is what it is. I mean, it's more of this. I get sick of it. Yeah, I don't like. Yeah, Michael Batak can go fly. He can go stub his toe, as far as I'm concerned. Frank Costanza. My problem with them is they have the stream and call each other coaches. Well, that too. Like the whole thing with them, like trading it. Okay, I'm going to predict the future. You can clip this, and then maybe in a year or however long it takes, we'll go back to this comment, and we'll be like, see, I knew it was coming. But I'm telling you, it is going to come a time, in my opinion, prop firm owners and prop firms themselves that actually trade live is a problem. And I don't think it should be done. I don't care if you have the best intentions or not, but imagine just go with me on a little rabbit trail here. We got nothing else to do. Just bear with me for a second and just listen to my reasoning. If you're Michael Patak, the owner of Top Step, the owner of said prop firm, and you're sitting behind your desk every day and you're watching your dashboard of all the XFAs that you have in, every single XFA, every single test account, and you have the data and the statistics in front of you, and you're watching this, and on a different screen, you have your own Top Step TV coaches, and all of a sudden the coaches, they take a trade. And it's a terrible trade, and the trade immediately goes against them, whatever, and they take a loss. And now you immediately see a correlation on your XFAs and your evals, and you see that, oh, wow, you can see that a lot of people, even though you tell them not to, you see that a lot of people took that same trade and just took a loss. And now you see the same thing when you take a trade and it's a winning trade, and you just realize, oh, wow, people actually are like, they know. They have the ability to know if people copy their trading or not, even if they tell them not to. Doesn't matter. But they can have the data to exactly see the results of their trading and how it affects XFAs, test accounts, whatever you call it. So if they start to see a correlation between the two, do you not think that the temptation to purposely lose money wouldn't be there? Of course it would be there. And that's the problem. Like, I don't care if they do it intentionally or not, but the fact that they have the data and they can see if there is a direct correlation or not, that's the problem. And then if there is, now you have created yourself a situation where hey, if I take a trade and it's a loss, I know it affects my bottom line. It affects my P&L statement at the end of the month. And now all of a sudden, your motives are no longer where they should be. And I don't care what they say. I don't care if it's intentional or not. That's the problem. That's a direct conflict of interest that should not be allowed, in my opinion. I don't think it should be allowed. And if regulation ever does come in, I think they will look at that and they will immediately shut it down, in my opinion. But that's just Nutty Bar's opinion, Thanks for joining my TED Talk. I think they do so bad to get people to need to buy more accounts. Yeah, well, yeah, that's what I mean. And it might not have even started off with that intention. It might have started off with pure intentions that they just want to show trading and yada, yada. But once they see the direct correlation between the two, you cannot deny the temptation to then be like, hey, guys, the next meeting they have, guys, if we see an opportunity, if we take losses, it's okay. Like that kind of rhetoric where it's like, well, it doesn't matter if you have losses because it actually affects us. It actually makes us more profitable in the end. And that is where the problem lies. They are not good enough to know if they're putting a winner or loser on. I mean, that is true as well. It's also not exactly easy to purposely lose. As weird as that sounds, it isn't. And again, it's not even about their motives so much. It's more about that they have the data to know if it's working or not. So, I mean, I would love to see the data on when they take a trade on stream. Show me the live data of the same trades that happen on the back end. You also can't ignore the fact that the traders they promote on their leaderboards trade in a manner completely contrary to the rules they promote. Exactly. I wanted to bring that up as well. They had a guy recent. I mean, we all know about the guy that was kicked off Top Step TV in the middle of his interview because he basically said that he YOLOs accounts. But there was a bunch. Okay, let me say this way. The only way you're going to make it on the Top Step leaderboard, this is just the truth. I don't care what anybody says. The only way you are going to make it on the Top Step leaderboard is if you YOLO accounts. And I said what I said. So don't at me. That's the truth. So them trying to pretend like everybody like it's that's another reason that I'm just not a fan. So cringy to me. But it's the only way that you're going to make it on that leaderboard. It is just the truth. Like you can't make it on the leaderboard trading one, 1 to 2 or 4 or 5 micros or 1 mini. You're not making it on the leaderboard. I'm sorry. But it still doesn't mean, having said all that, I don't, honestly, I would probably use Top Step if I could connect Trade-of-8 with NinjaTrader. The fact that they don't allow you to do that is the reason I don't use them, because of the inconvenience that I have to use Top Step X. I hate that. And that's probably, that's a big part of the reason also why I don't use them. Oh man, I'm tempted to take a short. If we see this come back into this opening range high and test it, and then we roll over and get a short setup, I'm gonna take it. I am going to take it. Right now, we're gonna be in kind of a scalp mentality because we do not have a lot of drawdown remaining on the day to get a Exactly, Amelia. And then the other thing that just like irritates me is the fact that Top Step keeps saying it's probably been 2 years ago where they said people have asked them about the micro conversion rate for Trade-of-8, and they keep saying that they can't do it. Oh, they just can't do it, Somehow, I don't know how, but somehow every other platform and every other prop firm out there that has ever had Trade-of-8, they don't ever have an issue with making the micro conversion 10 to 1. No, they have no issues, but somehow Top Step is special and they can't do it. Like, do they really think people are that stupid that they believe that BS? Like, that's just straight BS and lying. Like, just come out and be honest and say you don't want to do it. You could do it, but you don't want to. Like, that's so stupid. It's the same for rhythmic. Exactly. Yeah. Same thing, Grant. Same exact thing. Oh, no, John, you're short. Oh, I'm sorry. I might ruin it for you. My condolences ahead of time. I might not get an entry here, to be honest. I might not get an entry. It's going to make me a little bit sad. And then the whole, do we want to keep going? Do we want to talk about the whole Top Step X issue? The fact that someone from actual Top Step actually created Top Step X, and now a lot of platforms and prop firms are sharing that same platform, and they literally had it in their user agreement that they will share data. They will share data. Anyone that uses Project X shares data with Top Step. Anybody want to talk about that? I don't think so. Hey, good Good morning, Pine Tree. How we doing? uh, Carmen Coat. Hey. That's just my that's my 2 cents. I don't know. Someone made the mistake of asking, so I someone made the mistake of asking, so I said my thing. Those are just the things that annoy me. But like I said, I would actually use them if they allowed Tradeovate Ninja Trader connections, I would probably use them. And we're just continuing kind of slowly roll over here. The nice short, John. Didn't Trade Day get in on it too? Yeah, I know they're using Project X as well. No, they don't have their own platform. I don't think. I think it's just a white label for Project X. I think, as far as I think so anyway. I went to sign up for Take Profit Trader, and when I was entering my info, I only entered my phone number, and they need it auto-filled, and that's really weird. Yeah, SRQ Trader. I'm not even sure what that's all about. I don't even know. Same, Carolina. Wow. Hey, nice trade, John. Wish I was on this short train with you. Oh, never mind. I said something. I'm sorry, John. I mentioned short. Market immediately spiked. That's on me. Trying to bounce. It's trying to bounce off the 908s here. I see it retest this and Still done 100 and a blue. Oh no, John. No. I'll try to be quiet. I mean, I'm looking for shorts. I am looking for shorts, but want to see us retest this 950 area and then fail, and then where I want to get in on it. You've been in the short since the wedge broke down, RH. Nice, nice. Does the trailing drawdown get eliminated when the account switches to a PA? NPBH. The trailing drawdown goes away once you hit once you hit $2,600 on a 50K. Basic your profit threshold to request a payout. Once you hit that, the drawdown stops. But up to that, you do have an intraday trailing drawdown. All right, let's see. Trying to get something going here. Hey, we're getting close. I'm sorry, John. I'm sorry. If I'm trading Monday, I am not. I actually have a golf outing planned for Monday morning, so I will not be trading or streaming on Monday. Don't do me like this, market. Oh, get another nice win here, and then we have a little bit of cushion. That's some wiggle room here. All right, I'm just gonna take that. We're gonna grind our way back out of this hole. Let's go, John. It worked. Leah Siller, if I'm in cells, yes, I am. Welcome to the stream, by the way, if this is your first time here. Sit back, relax. We're a bunch of we're pretty chill here. And we also sometimes most of the time I suck at trading, so you know. All right, if we get down below the 900s here, this thing can easily retest the 860s here. Let's see if we can do it. If you trade on Monday Memorial Day, you're likely a degenerate. Man, Mr. Wall Street, you really got to just call everybody out like that. Tech 111, if I'm going to do a giveaway today, honestly, I'm trying to see if we can't get some accounts to do a giveaway, but you know, seems like Nutty just doesn't get any attention nowadays, so oh, never mind. Yeah, we are doing a giveaway, guys. Let's go. We are gonna do a giveaway today. Let's go. I just got 15 minutes ago. They finally responded. Oh, boys. Let's go. We're gonna give away some Apex accounts today. Let's get Apex to offer 90% off. Now that would be nice. Now that would be nice. I don't have that kind of power though. Okay, I really want this. I mean, I'm going to look for another short if we can get it. So we have about $100 left daily loss limit now. Can you imagine? It actually would be one of the biggest miracles that we've seen on this earth if we can get these accounts, actually recover them. Yeah. Oh. I call Apex. Let me call John. John, the people want 90% off. He'd be like, who are you? Hey, RH, $400 away from payout. Let's go. Gutenberg. Oh, let's go. If we can get a couple more requests for some Ben and Rose. Couple more requests for some Ben and Rose. I mean, I think the vibes would be fitting. I think I'd be down. Hey, trying to get a move higher now. Let's see if we can get another short entry here. You shall take it. Oh, I'm seeing a lot of yes, please. See, we should almost, you know what? Maybe we need to play it just for those that are new. There's probably some new people here that haven't had the opportunity. They don't even know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about Ben and Rose. Imagine that. Actually, you know what? I haven't checked lately. Maybe they have a new song. Let me see. Nope. No new song. If Teardrops Were Pennies song has 1 million views. 1 million. Let's go. Who's ready? Let's go. And this is some Friday vibes. Happy Friday, everybody. Enjoy some Ben and Rose. You know you love it.
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you, a solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
Might get a short here, by the way.
All the riches my pockets could hold. I'd
Ben still hasn't learned how to shave.
Order submitted.
All right, we might get filled here. Putting the vibes would be so good if we get filled here and just immediately hit my target.
If teardrops were pennies and
How does Trump dance? Like this.
if teardrops were pennies and hearts
Oh, I'm sorry. My order just scared you guys.
riches my pockets could hold, I'd be oh so wealthy with
Order submitted.
treasures untold.
Don't wick me in here, Market. Don't do it.
Pennies and heartaches were gold,
But teardrops are pennies.
and heartaches are gold.
Round of applause to Ben and Rose. Round of applause. Oh, baby, let's go. Fill me. Hit me. I can't take chances here. Let's go. Let's go. Ben and Rose for the win. All right, what's the next request? Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, we got to do our favorite.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
Vibes are good.
Slowly but surely I'm losing my heart.
And I'm losing my heart to you.
Never, Timbo, never.
But surely
Never. Don't
my
even mention
dreams
that.
will come true.
If I spend my lifetime with you,
You're just what I wanted.
you're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my
Next time we go to the BDH, we're going to play this song.
my life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
Let's go. All right. Round of applause for Ben and Rose. Great performance once again. They never let us down. Oh, man. All right. I think we had our share of Ben and Rose for the day. I mean, to be fair, it's probably been 3 or 4 days since we've had some Ben. Oh my gosh, I just saw something insanely, very, very concerning, guys. Who in their right mind is hitting the dislike button on Ben and Rose's song? If it's one of you guys, I will ban you. There's 129 dislikes on this song. How? What is wrong with people? Tell you what. Not cool, man. Not cool. Hey, look at that. Mad Cow is in the building once again. Good morning, Mad Cow. Oh, good morning, Mad Cow. I don't know, it just tickles me every time I see you. That name, it just gets me every time. She uh yes, exactly, Fishing Fool. He sounds like a young Dolly Parton. I couldn't agree more. What is my thought on trade day? Lulu or Lulu B? I like trade day. I like trade day. I was actually talking with someone last night, and I saw an email that they might allow multiple accounts. If they allow multiple accounts, I might give trade day a try. I actually used. Oh, it's probably been over a year since I've used trade day, but I mean, I think they're legit. I think there's nothing wrong with them. I never really used them that much just because you can only have one account and because you have to trade 7 days. So that part has always been like, oh, trade day. No, they're not a new prop firm. Trade day has probably been around for 2 years. I want it. Maybe not quite 2 years, but they've been around for at least a year and a half. Oh, boys, look at this thing rip. Man, do I want to trust another short here? If we retest the 15-minute opening range high here, and if we fail, I think I will give it another. I think I'll give the shorts another go. We've definitely struggled to get above the VWAP. Sorry, John. Dantaloid Dan. I'm hoping Apex comes out with a 90%. I hope so. I should text John actually. I better not. I don't want to annoy I don't want to annoy John. We don't want to annoy him. I'm sure they got something planned, surely. I mean, I'm sure they have something planned, right? All right, we are above the 940s here. A little bit worried this is just going to rip right through this. I'm going to wait. Not going to just blindly enter here. Got to be careful. I think I need about one more winning trade with 1 micro, and then we might be able to step it up to 2 micros and see if we maybe claw our way out of this hole. See what happens here at the VWAP. Just did the math. You got saved by 1 tick. That's crazy, Little Millie Trades. That never happens. Hey, Joker Trades. Good to see you. Yeah, you almost at 91% total. That's crazy, Little Millie Tree. That's crazy. If I can text John, I mean, I can, but I'm pretty careful with, there's a little bit of a history there. All right, market, what are we doing here at the opening range high? What are we doing? Makes me a little bit. Yeah, this looks like we're just gonna rip through it. I don't really want to. Not sure I want to mess with this. Looking very bullish all of a sudden. And I always find it hard to believe when we have this big of a move in the pre-market session, and then when the market opens, we never even retest it. I don't know why that, but to me that is always hard to a little bit hard to accept. All right, we might get a short setup here. I will take this. We get a good trade here. Get ready. Oh, it looks starting to look pretty bullish. Man, that's loud. All right, let's see if we get filled. Yeah, Mr. Push Up. I'm kind of the same way. Definitely got wrecked a little bit this morning. This was the worst right here. But we might just keep going. We might make new highs right here. If we do, I guess, whatever. Just don't wick me in if you do. Don't wick me in. I'm going to move mine down just a little bit. Just in case. Really, market? Part of me feels like this is kind of a bad idea. It's doing a perfect setup to pull back a little bit and then keep going higher. Definitely worried about what time. It's 11:30. Could be a boring time right now. Yeah, I know, Max 90. That was wild. I'm filing a class action lawsuit against Nutty for humming Ben and Rose in her head all day. You are welcome, AJ. You are welcome. Hey, good morning, Camera Trades. Just passed my last remaining eval, a take profit trader account. Let's go. That's always exciting. Let's go. Like getting a fresh PA account, or actually take profit trader is more important because it takes longer to pass. Getting those fresh take profit trader accounts, so nice. But I tell you what, losing them hurts so much more. Cuts real deep. I'm still not over it. I'm still I'm still salty from losing my take profit trader accounts. Oh, I can't believe it. Been sitting on my fund all this time because I knew my strat wasn't ready. Switched my order flow from bid to ask. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't even know you could do that. I used to play around with Renko bars. Let's go, Camber Trades. Yeah, using a Take Profit Pro account is super, super sad. It actually, if it would help, I would cry a little bit. All right, moment of truth here. Let's hope I don't get wicked in. Then it just keeps going higher. You have that chance. Ah. Give me some Celsius. Oh, I'm going to blur it out. I'm not sponsored. Why is it? Always wondered, why is it that streamers, like gaming streamers, they get all these sponsors for drinks and everything, but traders, we never get any sponsors for drinks or anything like that. I don't know why. All right, I'm closing this. I'm not interested in getting filled now. Once we make new highs here, at least I didn't get wicked in. At least I did not get wicked in. I know, but Trader's Chick, like, there's YouTubers that do gaming, like gaming YouTubers with very similar live viewers that we get, especially like, but nothing. And they have sponsors like drink and it depends, but and this Celsius peach mango green tea is legitimately good. I'm sure this is this somehow unhealthy? I'm sure somehow this is unhealthy for me. Oh, let's see. 300. We got some weird names on here. Got the vitamin B12. I'm not even going to pretend like I know what any of this means. It says not a significant source of fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, dietary fiber, vitamin D, iron, and potassium. Huh. How many calories do we have? Proprietary blend. Oh, man. I have no idea what I'm drinking, but it's good. Cheers. Cheers. Only thing is, it's like 100 degrees in Florida. Oh. That reminds me, I need to check on the Florida housing market again. Hang on, let me check. See if there's any new houses. that drop pricing. We actually I need to get a house lined up for this winter, for real. For real, for real. Look at this. Just, I don't know, man. This thing is just going to keep going. Do I take a short if we fail to make new highs again? Do I? And I need to Google something. When is Florida hurricane season? 2025. Oh dear. I keep forgetting that they have hurricanes in Florida. You just got to get used to the humidity. No, I don't. I just stay inside. I just don't leave my house. I use DoorDash and shop. What's the app to bring stuff to your house? So June 1st, June through November. So it's coming up. I see. Wait, my wife is a doctor. She's had 30-year-olds having heart attacks from Celsius. Yikes. Oh, it's unfortunate. Did they really? How do they know it's directly from that? Yeah, I need a house with a bunker. It is half the year. But that's perfect. I'll live in Florida from November to June. Because so far up here, from April and May, the weather has been terrible. So maybe I'll just live in Florida from November to June, and then or November to May, and then I'll live here from June through October. Problem solved. Timbo, last time I lived in Florida, I had a permanent convertible. They came into the hospital with a death grip on the Celsius can. Uh-oh. Well, I was trying to find out how much caffeine is in this drink, and it doesn't even tell me. Is that even legal? It says, look, guys, look right there. It says, you guys probably can't see it, but whatever. It says caffeine, but then it doesn't say the amount. It just says Meta Plus proprietary blend. Huh. So I guess they don't have to tell me? Huh. I need another lawsuit. Ah. Even Mountain Dew, Coke, or Pepsi give you caffeine numbers. Yeah, I know, right? It's because it's an ungodly amount. Uh-oh. I might actually be officially a snow. Oh, and there she goes. There she goes. Breaching the 21,000s. I mean, I gotta say, I'm impressed. I'm impressed that we were able to get through the 21,000s. So, 2025 hurricane season starts on June 1st. Oh dear. Here's the map. All right, market. We breached the 21,000s. Now we're pulling back. Where are all the likes at? Oh, yeah. You know what? I have some accounts to give away today. Want to be, if I don't see enough likes, I might just use those accounts for myself. All right, that does look interesting right there. We swept the 21,000s. I don't want to go short right here, but if we make a little bit of an attempt to retake the highs and we fail, then I will take a short. I want to see if we attempt to retake the highs and fail, I'll take a short. But for now, we're gonna wait. Try to be patient here, see what happens. Also, today, the sun is finally out, so we will be mowing the lawn today. So I can't stream too long. We will be mowing the lawn today. By the way, I just realized I could actually stream. I could stream myself mowing the lawn. That would be pretty legit. Thought about doing it. I actually wanted to check. I want to test something. I'm going to test something out here, guys. Just a minute. Just a minute. It's something. Do I do this? That would be nice as long as you don't play Ben and Rose. I was literally just thinking I could put on the lawn mowing stream and then just in a light, very calm way have a background music of Ben and Rose. Like, I mean, how soothing would that be? You know you guys would watch it. You know you would. You guys would all just tune in and you would like it. Don't pretend like you wouldn't. Okay, I need to do this. Hang on. Whoops. How do we do? A minute. All right, we need to pay attention here. We might, if this fails here, could have an opportunity. Okay, try going. Just a minute, guys. I'm working on something. Seeing if I can make this work or not. Okay. All right. I think I have it. I think this would work. It's oh man, I gotta watch it. I gotta pay attention here. Man, this is uh not sure how smart this is to take a short. I'm doing it. This is risky. I might just scalp this, take some quick profits. But this is what it would look like. This is what it would look like. That would be this would be the mowing stream. Then you guys could watch me mow. That would be pretty cool. Come on, market. Just needed one drop, one more drop right there, and we didn't get it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have my stop right here. I'm not gonna risk a lot here. I'm not gonna risk a lot. We fought our way back. I'm not gonna. This is gonna rip here. We're gonna get out pretty quickly. How do I get the different colors on the lawn? This is just, it's called striping. It's just the direction the grass is laying, and then the sun hits it differently, makes it look like different shades of green. Really need this thing to drop. Come on. It looks like it's really windy right now. Oh, I did actually once have a guy that thought that's what it was. Can you imagine going to that trouble just for stripes? You have to paint the lawn. Okay, market. Getting impatient. I'm getting impatient. Very almost ready to just close this. Okay, go, 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 go. Let's go, go, go. Fill me. Let's go. Is that the nut house in the background? No, no, it is not. That's my neighbor. Ah. It's called OCD. That's right, John. Oh, we got a ghost order? Hang on. I fixed that one. There you go. All right, we're back. We're back, baby. We're back. We came from the depths of despair. We had what? I think we had like $40 of drawdown left on the daily loss limit, and we've now come back. I mean, let's not call it a comeback until we're actually green, but we've made vast improvements. It's also kind of chilly today. It is chilly today, but it is beautiful. At least the sun is shining. At least the sun is shining for once. You guys see our two towers? We have two cell towers within like 200 feet from each other. That should not be allowed. It's like there's a cell tower right here and another one right here. Kind of, we tried to fight when they were trying to put this one up. I don't know how they were allowed to put up two cell towers within 100 feet from each other, but they did. They did. Look at this. Look at this. A really, really good short. Really good short. Unfortunately, wish I would have held on that one. Woo! We swept that 21,000 and literally happened right exactly what we wanted. Swept the 21,000s, then we had an attempt to reclaim it and failed, and now we're down below the 15-minute opening range again. See if it holds. Let's go, J Trades. Nice trade. Yeah, don't stand between the towers. Hey, thanks, Lynn. I love my lawn. I love mowing the lawn. It's a very therapeutic exercise for me. But it's the lawn right now is really high. They need two towers to harness my brain power. not true. Oh. All right, market. What are we doing? We read. We get another short setup here. I'm gonna take it. We tried everything. Maybe we retest like the 970s here. Gonna look for another short. Do you catch the clippings, Michael? No, I don't. Nope. No, I don't. I used to, but I stopped doing it. It's actually better for the lawn to just mulch, not mulch, but it helps. It helps the lawn. You used to hate mowing the lawn, so I sold my big house. Now that I have start trading, I regret it. It would be nice to have for the red days. I don't know. It's just, I love mowing the lawn. I always put on a good podcast, put in my earbuds, and then I listen to something. Sometimes I'll listen to an audiobook. I'll put on a good John Grisham audiobook, or I'll put on some kind of podcast or something. And or sometimes I'll put on some nice Ben and Rose music. I'll just be vibing to some Ben and Rose as I'm mowing the lawn. You know that's real good. Then it's just the vibes are just off the charts. It's underrated. It's very underrated to mow your own lawn. John. No, John, I think it's you. I mean, I keep forgetting that you're such a big fan of Taylor Swift. Maybe next time instead of Ben and Rose, we need to play some good old Taylor Swift. And Madonna. AJ, that's and it is really windy. Really windy. This is going to be fun to mow. Ugh. I might actually. Oh, I might actually have to. I might check the weather. What does the weather look like tomorrow? All right. I would unsubscribe if you played Taylor Swift. I don't think you have to worry about that. I'm not a big Taylor Swift fan, so I don't think you got to worry about that one. I used to kind of like Taylor Swift back when she was like country and just a little more how would you say? I'm not even sure the word, but then I at least would listen to it, but I haven't listened to her in a long time. Oh man, we missed it. Oh, I missed it. Oh no, I missed it. I should have. By the way, guys, did you hear maybe you didn't see, but Trades by Matt. Trades by Matt was on Twitter last night and he was mentioning that he was basically mentioning how people stole his code. Basically the same thing that happened to me with Take Profit. Somebody did it to his code as well. And I guess there's like maybe actually some he was sharing that there technically could be legally Take Profit might be required to give it if you have a standard code that you usually use, then it's actually not how do they say it's not allowed for other people to use it. So I'm like, the code stealing mafia. Yep. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I can get my NBT code from Take Profit Trader back. I kind of doubt it, but maybe. I always wonder, I would love to know the guy that has the NBT code with Take Profit Trader. I would love to know what his like affiliates are per month. I would love to know that. Yeah, it's almost like I guess it technically can be a like I don't know. He shared like the legal the whatever on it, but there are no legal ramifications. They just end affiliates of a what? Yeah, the discount code. I always think, well, I guess I mean you kind of got to respect the guy whoever did it, but I never understood why Take Profit Trader finds it so it's almost see Trades by Matt he thinks that it's actually Take Profit Trader that has the code, that they have the code and they're just using it themselves. I don't know about that. It could be, I guess, but I doubt it. Yeah, good luck. Good luck crying and suing. I don't remember saying that I would cry, but maybe that would help. Nutty binges Taylor. There's no way to prove. Well, see, I have always said it's pretty easy if Take Profit Trader wanted to prove it. It could be easily done. Find the guy that has the NBT code, ask him to prove how he is promoting Take Profit Trader. How are you promoting them? That's all it would take. Oh, well, I mean it's the same. Yeah, I see what you mean. But that's all it would take. If Take Profit Trader actually was trying to actually do some due diligence, that's literally all it would take is, hey, can you show how you're providing, how are you actually promoting our product? Show me proof. And if they can't prove how they're promoting it, then it would be pretty easily to see like, oh, so you're not actually like, if they're not actually promoting it, yet they're getting a lot of people using the code, it would be pretty easy to see what's happening. But they don't want to do that. They just don't want to do it. I don't know why, but they don't want to do it. Oh, boys, we're getting a pop here. We keep having these kind of bigger pullbacks and then we just rip it to new highs. This is tempting to this is tempting to take a long here, honestly. Oh, do we want to do it? Do we want to do it? I'm not going to do it. feel like I'm chasing if I enter here. Yeah, camera trades. I agree. If someone has the code Camber, like, come on, exactly. What? I mean, exactly. It's like, what? Why would? Pretty easy to see, but whatever. Whatever. Whoa, what was that? Whoa, Bessie. Whoa, whoa, what was that? What was that? Jeez, that was a crazy jump. I almost wanted short. Oh, don't make me regret this. This is kind of on the fringe of chasing, but want to take profits here very quickly if I have to. And we're out. That's pathetic. That is pathetic. Scalping for $20 at a time. But hey, gotta dig yourself out of this hole. That was a subtle reminder not to chase, Ralph. Amen. Man, I'm glad I didn't chase that. Hold it. Even this was kind of a chase. I don't know that. What was that? That had to be. Did Orange Man tweet? Orange Man must have said something. By the way, I don't want to get political. But yesterday's session when they had the South African leader in the White House, I mean, it is hilarious how Trump is just like he just calls him out. I mean, that was so crazy. It's like, oh, the memes that come out of, oh, it's so wild to me. Sometimes I'm watching some of this and I'm just like, I pinch myself. I'm like, is this real? Are we living in a simulation? It's wild. It is wild. Orange Man fired. No, he did not. Don't know. If I was him, I would have made sure that plane didn't land on the way back to Africa. Come on, man. Oh, man. No, I mean it. Yeah, whatever. By the way, I do plan to release the top 10 video for April tonight. Top 10 video for April coming out tonight. Working on it last night and this morning. Finally got all the data. Thanks to Apex and some slow approvals on something. I had to redo all my data for January, February, March, and April just to make sure I have accurate data for the year, because there's some of the, if it takes over 4 weeks to approve some payouts, which some of the larger payouts, it's taking that long to approve. Don't ask me why. Then it doesn't, like, basically I had data that was old and I had to re-import all the data, resort everything. Oh, anyway, we did it. I did it for you guys. I pass an eval in a day or two and then blow up in a day. Don't, John Anderson. Oh, I just had a deja vu moment because I used to be, it's so easy to do that. Got to be very, very careful. And yeah, that is actually, that's easy to do, but that is not fun. I always try to, like, once you get an eval pass to get the funded account, just take a day maybe and just, let it sit in your account and just look at it. Just look at it for a day or two. and then size down that first couple days. Because it is easy to, I feel like it's easier to go on tilt right when you get a PA after you work really hard to pass it. And then you enter the first trade and it's a red trade. It's so much harder to accept that loss if it happens that way. All right, market, what are we doing here? This is just kind of, I don't know, but volatility has definitely picked up here. I'm not sure why, but hey, Tilly the Don. Nice, nice. Let's go, Captain Crunch. You just got an Apex PA. I mean, trade your system, trade your strategy, but size down. Size down. You can always size up. If you size up right when you get a PA and that first trade is a loss, it usually doesn't end well. Usually does not end well. All right, guys, I'm gonna open it up for let's start the giveaway. Let's start doing the giveaway. Oh shoot. I did it without checking how many likes I have. Oh man. Too bad. We are doing a giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty if you want to be entered. We will do a duck race and the top 5 will get an Apex eval any size. Man, that's so many exclamation mark nutties. I always freak out how many chat goes vroom. And this is tempting to take a short right here. Really, really tempting that I might actually do it. Wish the volatility wouldn't be so weird right now. Volatility just seems weird, like something's going on. All right, I'm gonna take it. Don't make me regret it. I mean, where do I have my... I guess I have my stop right here. I don't want this to follow through on this candle. I kill this. Dump it. Dump it now. Command you to go lower. Hey, let's go, Mad Cow. Good luck. Good luck. Duck race is 100% legitimate, contrary to some people's opinion. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that I like this. We keep holding up here at the I can't seem to get below it. Dump it. Come on. There we go. Keep going. I'll be a slow death here. You can only enter one time, so don't just spam. It's not going to help. You only enter once. Oh wow, KB, you're transitioning to 5 Pro Plus accounts after withdrawing 40,000 from 5 Pros. Let's go, KB. Man, that is very, very impressive. That's what I want to do. That's awesome. That's awesome, KB. Congratulations. Very well done. We keep teasing, but I don't know, we don't make a move here soon. I'm just going to close this for lack of, don't like when we just should have ripped lower by now, and I don't really want to hold through this. It's going to kill it. Might get another entry, a better entry up here. As long as we failed the 970s, then all right, guys, there's 4.5 minutes left. 4.5 minutes left for the giveaway. Did not give me a ticket for that. Do I have a plan to sell or buy on this chart? Not what? And there might be the short right there. That'll be the one right there. Being very choppy right now. It probably is a good short here, but I'm gonna wait. Thing looks very choppy. I second one motion. I think John should be in a race for an account since we never get selected. I almost want to do it, but we gotta maintain the integrity of the duck race. We have to maintain the integrity of it. If I start doing that, then there's going to be accusations thrown around very loosely that the duck race is rigged. You know, can't have that. I take these duck races very, very seriously. Did my stream just go blurry? I don't think so. Shouldn't be. Okay. We are ready. We're about ready to do the pick the names here. And get ready. I wonder how long we've been doing duck races. We've been doing duck races for been doing duck races for a while. All right, this thing looks like it wants to keep going higher. Okay, we are going to we're going to select the names. We're going to select the names right here. Let's, good luck, everybody. We're going to pick 15 names, and the top 5 will be getting an Apex eval for free. All right, here we go. The first name is going to be Peace Cheese. Peace Cheese. Nice. I always crack up about some of your guys' names are interesting. Hey, next name is going to be TL. Good luck, TL. Congratulations. Good luck. Next name, Shiro Black. Good luck to you. Next name, hey, there we go. TCG Andy. Good luck, sir. Next name, Martin J. Martin J. Good luck, sir. Next name, John. Oh, it's John White. Sorry, John. Congratulations and good luck, John White. Next name, Chad Coran. Chad Coran. Good luck to you. Next name, hey, Crypto Poppy. Crypto Poppy. Good luck to you. Next name, D Zerf. D Zerf. Next name is gonna be, oh, there we go. We have a familiar name, Ace Undercover. Good luck, Ace Undercover. All right, here we go. We gotta remove 5 names here. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next name is going to be 3-year plan. 3-year plan. Next name, Vector 222. Vector 222, congratulations and good luck. All right, John. Time's running out. Here we go. Next name. Oh, there we go. Best Guess Trading. Congratulations and good luck. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Next name is Isaac Martinez. Isaac Martinez. Okay. Here we go. This is the last name. Last name. If I could somehow pull John out of the hat, I would. Oh, imagine it's John. Imagine it's actually John. It would actually be rigged. Here we go. And it is not. Hey, it is Gizmarie. Gizmarie 02. All right, there you go. There are the names. We have the official names to the duck race. Right there you go. 15 names. We will now have the duck race. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. Make sure the sound is on. Here we go. Are we ready? Actually, you know what I thought of the other day? We could do this. Let's do this for the duck races. I do. There we go. I think this is better for the duck races. Okay, here we go, boys. Are you ready? And here we go. And they're off. Hang on, can you guys hear them? Okay, here we go. Ducks are off. We are underway. Duck race first. Top 5 will place. So top 5, you guys got a chance here. 3-year plan has taken a commanding lead right out of the gate. We got TCG Andy, a familiar name, in second place. You gotta love the duck he's in. He's in the clown duck. I don't know if that's good or not, but you gotta appreciate the humor. TCG Andy, the clown duck, is officially taking the lead. We've got Peace Cheese in second place, followed by 3-year plan. We have Vector 22 now making a move. We got Gizmery at the top of your screen. Best Guess Trading trying to make a move. And now here comes Ace Undercover. Ace Undercover is right in the middle of the pack, and he is not out of it. TCG Andy now is losing out. Isaac Martinez has taken the lead. And Gizmery and Isaac Martinez are neck and neck. We've got 45 seconds to go. You got to reserve some energy for that final push. Here comes 3-year plan, has taken a lead now by a length. Chad Coran in second place. Gizmery, we have a big congestion here. Who's going to move ahead? TCG Andy. Can he make a move? Here he comes. 3-year plan is in the lead with 20 seconds to go. It's time to make a move. Oh no, 3-year plan is losing out. 15 seconds, 14 seconds. Nobody is making a move. Here comes Best Guess Trading. Best Guess Trading Superman Duck is making a move. Oh, here comes TCG Andy. Andy is making a push. And there you go. TCG Andy with the win. Man, I wasn't sure what was going to go. What happened? Nobody seemed to want to make a push at the end. TCG Andy, let's go. Round of applause. Now, let's see. There were a lot of people close, like from second, third, and fourth place. I don't know. I'm very curious. Let's see. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I see something that is not going. This is not good. TCG Andy in a clear, very clear first place finish, followed by TL, a pretty clear second place finish. And then we have Best Guess Trading in third place. Now remember, top 5 will get an account. In fourth place, D-Zerf. So right here is fourth place, D-Zerf. And then we have Vector 222. So right here is fourth place. No, this Vector 222 is fifth place. Now, where is Ace Undercover? Oh, Ace Undercover, you just didn't quite make it. Actually, it's not, I don't think we have any controversy here. Ace Undercover is clearly behind Vector 222. No controversy here. And I'm sorry, Ace Undercover. I'm really sorry. Oh, man. You hate to see it. Oh, all right. Well, there you go. First place, second, third, fourth, and fifth. I will now, give me a minute. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put my email in the chat. TCG Andy, you have won before? You have? Well, I mean, how long ago was it? Somebody hit you with their whip? Oh, you hate to see it. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot. You're fine, TCG. Okay, so that is my email. If you place first, second, third, fourth, or fifth, send me your email or send me an email with a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's you. And I will send you a code for a free Apex eval of any size. All right. Thanks everyone for playing. That was pretty that was a pretty good finish on the duck race. A little bit more of a variable from what we've seen in the past. So love to see it. Oh wow, look at this now. Continuing to now rolling over once more. Wow. Hey, dabbed a what? Someone just passed a 50K combine in this crazy price action. Let's go. Let's go, trades by Johnny. Yes, any size. I will take all the losing ducks for my Memorial Day cookout. Yeah, we couldn't make a new high again. Feel like the shorts here are the play. And I think, I don't know, I feel like at some point today, we're gonna see a bigger move lower. I really do, but all right, let's go, Tom Lawrence or TL, sorry. All right. In just a minute here, guys, as I send out these codes. And this really is rolling over. Oof. Oh, that would have been a good, would have been a really nice trade. But we didn't take it. Let's see if we at least try to make new highs, maybe, and we can get in on another short. Yeah, let's go ace undercover. It was so close. Oh. The green mohawk slowed me down. Let's go, T. I'm sorry, TL. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was unfortunate. Hang on. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this. We're right back up to the 980s. Interesting. Oh, man. I don't know what to think about this. Okay, I'm trying to make sure I got everybody here. Got there. Vector 222. Vector 222. Are you in the chat? Thank you. No problem. Did FX the duck race? Yes, the duck race is over. I'm sorry. Crypto crop, the duck race is over. If we lose 945, watch out below. Yeah, I could. Hey, good to see you, Sharoos. You have to move again now. Vector 222, send me an email. You won the duck. You were in 5th place for the duck race. If you scroll up, you should be able to see my email, nuttybar1983@gmail.com, and I'll send you a link or a code for a. Really, John? Stop it. Guys are degenerates. Stop, you guys. Mr. Wall Street has 1,462 points. Someday we got to figure a way out how we can use those points for the benefit of you guys. Thanks for the sub, Chameleon. Also, Isaac Martinez sub, thank you. Unborn Joker, and it's money to you. And Bugs 1107 with the subs today. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, wow. Matty Matt has 2,095 points. Get wrecked. You guys getting flexed on. Oh, man. Get flexed on, man. John. Oh, no. John. John has 3,137 points. Oh, yeah. You guys are really getting flexed on now. Do I take... Okay, hang on. Hey, Vector 222, let's go. I'm gonna take. Oh wait, I was in 2. Damn, I did not want to do that. Ah. Well, I guess it's too late now. Is it? I forgot I was in. I'm actually gonna try to get out of one here if I can. Of course, we're gonna get stopped now that I went in with 2 micros by accident. Of course. I forgot that I changed that. Oh man. Come on, market. Do it one time. Can you go just do me a favor? Market, could you do me a solid? Could you do me a solid here? Just one time. Do me a solid. Do me a solid. Come on, you can do it. Thank you, Francis. I appreciate that. All right. Man, it's gonna make me sad if this is gonna rip higher now. Come on. This I don't like. I don't like this. Don't like it one bit. Oh, sorry, Bob, I do not. You could just go lower for once, right? That wouldn't be that terrible of an idea. Just dump it. Like just rip lower. Not that hard. Ah. I got it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Matty Matt. Uh-oh. Dear. We need a one time here. We are asking for we are asking to cash in on our one time right here. Come on. Not gonna give it to us. Not gonna do it. All right, I'm just gonna take my loss. I just gotta take the L. That's disheartening. That's very disheartening. All right, I think I'm actually gonna call it. And unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna do the mowing stream today. I will do it at some point, but I actually need to do something else first. And it's gonna take me. It's gonna go an hour and a half or 2 hours before I get to mowing. So I think I'm just gonna call it, and we'll be. Well, I guess we'll be back on Tuesday. You're welcome, TCG Andy. We'll be back on Tuesday. I will not be streaming on Monday. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Stay green, stay safe. And if you're I hope you have a great Memorial Day weekend. It's gonna be awesome. We have a weekend. My brother from Colorado is coming in for this weekend, so I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a great time spending time with family this weekend. It's gonna be wonderful. So I hope you guys all have a great day, great weekend, and we will see you guys on Tuesday. Take care and God bless.